Hey everybody out there on YouTube, it ain't rocket science here. Today we're going to be looking at a really cool, just some facts about your body and space. And this isn't some like astrology, this isn't actually like some religious hoo-ha. This is scientific, so stay tuned. So I'm just going to start this off with the topic here. We're all made of stars. So our physical, all of the elements that go into your body, they're all made of stardust. That's literally the only way that the atoms in your body, the elements, can be created. So let's think of hydrogen as a kind of origin element. So the only thing in the universe that in the start of the universe, the only thing that was there was hydrogen. And then hydrogen eventually forms stars, and when these stars die, they can either die violently in a supernova or non-violently, and when they die, they create atoms. They create all kinds of things. They don't necessarily, also through their life process, they create things, but in the last, so think of this way, so the iron in your blood, in the last second of a star dying, that iron is created. The very last living second of a star, the iron in your blood is created, and that is how you have the iron in your blood. And the source I'm getting this from, so that you guys don't believe that it actually is religious hoo-ha or whatever you want to call it, is Michele Thaller. She is a NASA astrophysicist, and she's a decent friend of mine, and yeah, I'll have her face on screen right now. She's really cool. You should definitely check out her TED Talks and stuff for a more detailed information on this topic. So yeah, everything from the carbon, everything is created in the last few seconds of a star, and also throughout the star's life. And the way that this is created is a star is basically a huge nuclear fusion reactor. That's how the star is powered, is the hydrogen is going into this system that makes their energy, and through that there are different things created. Carbon, iron, calcium, I don't think actually calcium, but a lot of things. And yeah, so I think this is a great thing, so it's really cool, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys share this with your friends, because I was amazed when I found this out. Yeah, and if you want a detailed list, again, see Michele Thaller's TED Talk, really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this It Ain't Rocket Science video. This has been Juki, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Check out my other channel in the description, and Michele also. Two more things, guys, then we're ending the video. So, number one, I want you guys to understand that you are basically the same as a piece of wood, the same as a rock, the same as a blade of grass. You are basically the same as your house. All of the origin stories of these things start in the very same place, and that place is space. That rhymed, that was really cool. But the origin story, it all begins in the death of a star. And second thing, I just want to sum this all up. So you were all made of stars. You're the same as any other object in this entire universe. You are the same thing. I mean, I don't know about black holes, but that would be pretty cool if you were the same as a black hole. I know I definitely want to be associated that way. But yeah, so iron in your blood, the iron everywhere, the iron in the earth, that is all made in the last few dying seconds of a star. A star is a fusion reactor, it's a fusion system, and when eventually, oh, and one last fact actually that's really cool is that actually, eventually, our universe will die out, because stars will run out of energy, will run out of hydrogen. It's a limited supply, and eventually the universe will go completely dark. It's really sad and scary to think about, But yeah, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This has been It Ain't Rocket Science. Check out my other channel in the description, and Michele Thaller as well. Her TED Talk is really cool. Go watch it.
Go.
You guys in my math class are not off the hook yet. I have a few problems for you guys to solve. So in your Google search bar, look up what a total breakdown of the human body. You guys have to find me the top 10 biggest elements in your body. So essentially what goes into your body the most, those elements, and put it in a list from the biggest to the smallest. 10 of them is what you require, and put it in this format. So I'll give you the first one now, just as a little hint. Oxygen is 65% of your body, so it's 65 to 100. That is the ratio that you would have to put in for, let's say, sulfur or something like that. Pause the video now, and now resume the video, and once you have resumed the video, I will now list them all off. So oxygen is 65 to 100, carbon is 18.5 to 100, hydrogen is 9.5 to 100, nitrogen is 3.2 to 100, calcium is 1.5 to 100, phosphorus is 0.4 to 100, potassium, phosphorus is 1 to 100, potassium is 0.4 to 100. Sulfur is 0.3 to 100, sodium is 0.2 to 100, and chlorine is also 0.2 to 100. Now the last few are a little bit rough, but there you go, guys. So if you guys have those answers, I don't know, maybe I'll give you a Jolly Rancher. Probably not. Probably won't. Bye! And thanks for watching.